the first thing that we're going to do is take a look at your kitchen and see what we have to do, whether it's a renovation or a new kitchen or a new construction. From there, what we need from you is the start is for your appliances, whether you're going with a wall oven and cooktop or whether you're going with a range, if you're keeping your current appliances or if we're going to go in for new. With that, we also need to take a look at the style that you're looking for and the functionality of your kitchen. Now, it's really great that you brought some magazines into us. That helps me an awful lot in choosing and helping you decide what it is that you want to do. From there, if you bring in your measurements, we can start from the design there, or we can send somebody out to measure for you so we can get the process started. One of the things that we're going to have to talk about too is your budget as well as the timeline. Okay, so here is the initial concept of your kitchen, what we've worked out. What we're looking at is a full triangle, a working triangle. You've got your stove, your sink, your fridge is over here, and a work area which is on the island, which you've got lots of space all the way around it. Now this is just an initial design, and what will happen is we'll have to go out and take some exact measurements, and from there we can actually make precise changes and decide exactly where we're going to put everything. And from there we can make decisions on the colors of your kitchen, the style of your kitchen, and we can do that. Here we have your sink, your dishwasher, your stove, so you've got a nice triangle working in there for all of your cleaning and preparation. We've got your storage area over here, which is your fridge, and then over here we've got an island that's very workable. So it's out of the range of way for people to walk through, but it gives you a nice open and large space to work with. Once again here, now what you actually see here is the wall facing your window with your fridge, your stove, and your sink is actually over here. To give you an even better idea, you can imagine this right over in here. This is your island where you'll be doing most of your prep work. And to give you another idea, this is to the left of your stove where you have your sink and your dishwasher, so it's a little bit out of the way, but still really convenient to work with. With such a large kitchen, I think we could actually accommodate a cooktop and a wall oven. What do you think?
I think it's a good idea. With the cooktop, you'll have some room for pots and pans drawers, which gives you more storage, and then the rest will be more counter space. So I think it's a very good idea.
Good. I'll try and change that for her.
Great.
What you're seeing here is more of our country style kitchen with the antique stain, the tongue and groove detailing at the top, and the crown molding with the extra detail with the dental. What we're able to do is we're able to customize a lot of things, and one thing that's really important with our cabinets is the construction. The tops and the backs are all made of 1/2-inch particle board, which makes them a lot sturdier. It's the same thing within the drawers, so they're able to withstand a lot of pressure. What's really important is in this kitchen is the fact that we've got the cabinets in one color, which is a cream and antique style, and we've done the island in a cherry with a raised panel, which is a little bit more formal. With that, with the island as well, we've also got a very functional area. We've got drawers on one side over here, and we've got an eating area over here. Okay, and what we have here underneath the cooktop is pots and pans drawers. So you've got lots of big storage for big pots, big pans, and casserole dishes. Okay, in this kitchen we've had a very elaborate crown molding. We've got the top with the dental inlay. Next we have the tongue and groove, a bullnose here which just stops it really nicely. This open shelving area for displaying plates, pitchers, and whatnot with the lighting. And as we work further down, what we have is this open glass cabinet with the colored melamine inside in the interiors, which matches what we already have inside the rest of the cabinets, with lighting as well in here. And then once again, what we've done is we've taken a crown molding and put it underneath to hide the lighting that we have for over your tasking areas. Okay, so what you're seeing here is granite. We've done an unusual thickness at 1 1/4 inches, and we've installed an undermount sink, which means that you have no visible seams on the top, and it's very easy for cleaning. And a little bit more of a more refined look. What we have here is a shaker-inspired style with the raised panel and slide grooves, which makes it look a little bit more modern. Once again, we have the full extension tandem drawers with the interiors done in a light colored maple, which makes it a little bit less of a contrast compared to a normal white. And once again, we've also got the pots and pans drawers, which gives you lots of extra storage for all of your casserole dishes and whatnot. As we move further into the kitchen, what we have here is a wine rack and an open shelf, which you can use to display some of your more pretty dishes, teapots, that sort of style. Going further into the corner, we have an appliance garage, but instead of having the usual door at the bottom, We've got drawers that come out just to make it a little bit different. What we have here is an island with a Corian countertop with an integrated sink, which means that you have absolutely no seams. Makes it really, really easy for cleaning. And what you'll also notice along the sides, you don't see the plumbing coming out through the bottom. It's actually going through the legs to make this unit look more like a piece of furniture, more along the lines of a butcher block. In the drawers, what you see here too, we have a little bit of storage. Just makes it easier for you to put your cleaning products and whatnot. Another thing in this kitchen is we've incorporated two colors. We've got the regular PVC wood look, but we've incorporated a slight lighter maple to give you a little bit of contrast. One more incredible piece of information about this kitchen is the fact that we've actually used a Gibraltar countertop, which is a solid surface, which actually means that when you're going around the corners, you're not going to see any seams. It's a solid look and very, very easily repaired, as well as something that too we know ourselves we fabricated. So what we have in here for this blind corner unit is a mechanism on the interior which we call a magic corner that facilitates reaching things in the back.